I'm from UK, and STAD Solution is very flexible about their time as well. Hello, my name is Temitayo Jerry Olatunde. I just finished the lessons on manual testing, and I must say it is hybrid teaching. I learned a lot when I did functional and non-functional testing, and very good manual tester right now because I was made to engage in a lot of assignments and a lot of practice during the classes. A lot of examples was given as well. The teaching overall was really interactive, and it's far better than any other one out there. YouTube can't really teach you the actual things that are being taught in these classes, and I believe that STAD Solution has and they've checkmated this mode of teaching. And yes, and I'm from UK, and yeah, I work here and in the UK, and time is really precious as regards working and having time to study. But STAD Solution is very flexible about their time as well, so I was able to do the classes without any itch in my plans. Thank you, STAD Solution, and cheers.